because my fucking backpack was open. Ah, perfect window to go to. Damn it. No, we still got a fucking opening. As soon as this car goes. We got all kinds of skin out today. All kinds of skin out today, buddy. Shorts and a tee. Yes, sir. Not gonna mention that. Hell yeah, my speed is 0. Fuck with it. Fuck with it. The goddamn pop, bro. Ah, oh, hell yeah. Ah, oh my god, bro. Ah, this shit sounds fucking amazing. They've been kind of clean. It's some bull. All for nothing, bro. Traffic is slowed down up there for nothing. Literally nothing at all. Hell yeah. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. They're turning. Alright, let's get through this shit right here. Still ain't blinking yet, so that's good. Damn, bro, that looks like ass. Fuck. I gotta get better about my goddamn wheelies, bro. I gotta get better about that shit. If I had on pants and my fucking riding jacket, cause I got my frame sliders now, so I ain't as worried about fucking if I dropped a motherfucker or not. Oh, I love the smell of just lumber, bruh. Lumber? You can't go wrong with that shit. Damn, bro, get in your own fucking lane. Hell yeah. This road is fucked. We're gonna slide to the liquor store, get some tequila. Yes sir. Oh shit, they coming in hot. We're taking that. Liquor store should be over here. There it is. I seen it. Oh, yes, sir. Who the fuck is honking? Who the fuck is honking, bitch? Honk at me again, boy. Fuck that bitch, bro. She said, fuck you, bitch. Fuck, damn. Fucking old people, bro. Alright, let me go get some tequila.